In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get shaders for Minecraft version 1.21.10 and turn them on or off with just one button. Before we dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, if you're in Minecraft, go ahead and exit out of it fully. And yes, that does include the launcher. So close out of that as well and open up a web browser of your choice. And what you're going to want to do is actually go to a website called curseforge.com. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Select the Minecraft option here. And then what you're going to want to do is select browse all. In this browse by section, you're going to see a shaders option. Go ahead and select that. And then what you're going to want to do is also find this game version tab and just select it and filter it to 1.21.10. Now there's going to be a bunch of different shaders on here. You can go through and really pick any of these ones that you would like, but the one that I personally recommend is going to be this complementary shaders reimagined up at the very top. So go ahead and select whatever one you would like, and what you're going to want to do is hit this little files tab over here, and once again filter it by 1.21.10. Up at the very top, go ahead and select these three dots right here and hit download file. And it's going to take you to a page where it does take around 5 seconds for it to automatically start downloading for you. Once it does finish, you'll see it up here and it should look something like this. And what I recommend doing is actually just taking that zip folder and dragging it onto your desktop just like so. From here, open up another tab and search up Irish Shaders .dev and hit download now right here, and then hit download universal jar up at the very top. And what you're going to want to do is actually select this universal jar section when it does download and select game version 1.21.10 and do iris only. Go ahead and hit install. It's going to download it real quickly for you, and once it is completed, it'll say completed and you can close out of this section. And from here, close out of Google Chrome or whatever web browser you have and open up the Minecraft launcher. And once you open up that Minecraft launcher, you're first going to want to confirm that it says Iris and Sodium down here for 1.21.10. Once you do confirm that it says 1.21.10, hit play just like so. Tick this little box and hit play again, and it's going to load you into Minecraft. Once you get loaded into Minecraft, go ahead and hit the single player tab and load into any world that you would like. In this case, I'm just going to choose this top world right here. And then hit escape real quick and go into your options. And what you're going to want to do is go into your video settings right here. And you're going to see a whole different page. It should look completely different than the normal video settings. Select shader packs. And what you're going to want to do is now just drag your shader pack in here just like so. And it's going to add complementary reimagined within here. Select it and then hit apply. And then go ahead and hit done and exit out of here. And as you can see, you're now going to have those shaders applied and they look absolutely awesome. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. You can toggle shaders on and off by just hitting K, so you can like very quickly see the difference. It looks really cool. But before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, you can just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.